Namaskar and welcome to the video lecture series on analog circuit. Myself Dr. Dharmesh Kumar Srivastava. Today I shall discuss about the transconductance amplifier. So what is a transconductance amplifier? A circuit in which the output parameter, or we can see that the component which is measured at the output is, if a measured parameter is current at the output, whereas the voltage at the input, then it is known as the transconductance amplifier. So in this circuit it has the current at output, whereas the voltage at input. Therefore it is known as the transconductance amplifier. It is also called as voltage controlled current source. Voltage controlled current source. Okay, so from this, the main characteristics of this type of amplifier is its input and output impedance is high. So this is the characteristics of this type of amplifier. So now we just derived the expression for the feedback voltage gain here. Just see, at the input apply KVL to the input loop. Apply KVL to input loop. As we apply KVL to the input loop, we see that Vs is equal to Vi plus Vf, equation number 1. Now the gain A, we can say that open loop gain or the gain of the circuit amplifier is equals to A is equal to I0 upon Vi, that is equation number 2 we say. Third, the feedback factor beta is equal to Vf upon I0, this is equation number 3. And at last, the overall voltage gain or overall gain AF is equal to I0 upon Vs. Thus is equation number 4. Now we put the value of equation number 1 in equation number 4. Putting the value of equation number 1 in equation number 4, what we obtain? AF is equal to I0 upon Vi plus Vf. And from 3 you can see that okay, so from here you just see that this is the value. Okay, now just divide numerator and denominator by I0. So dividing numerator and denominator by I0. So what we obtain, it will be like, I am just writing over here, AF is equal to 1 upon Vi upon I0 plus Vf upon I0. Just see what happens. Vi upon I0, just from here equation number 2, it is a reciprocal, so we can write it like 1 upon A plus Vf upon I0 is equal to beta, it is equal to beta. So on solving it, we see that AF is equal to A upon 1 plus A into beta. So it is evident that the gain, feedback gain in transconductance amplifier is reduced by a factor of 1 plus A beta. Now the calculation of input and output resistance. So for calculation of input and output resistance of a transconductance amplifier. So we just write down over here, that is the input and output resistance of transconductance amplifier. Just see, we have to draw the circuit for transconductance amplifier of this transconductance amplifier. The input is a voltage series, just draw, you see over here, it is a voltage source Vs plus minus, input is a resistance source Ri, this is the Ri, and here the voltage is Vi as well as the current is Ii. Okay, now here just see the dependent voltage source which is having the value A into Vi. The resistance here is R0 because the output is the current R0. Here the current is I0 and the resistance is RL. Okay, so now comes to the feedback part. Just see over here like this. It is beta into I0. Just complete the circuit by this. And it is a current source. So the feedback is the current. So like this. It is I0. Now we have to calculate the input resistance. So the calculation of input resistance. So for the calculation of input resistance, what we have to do? Apply KVL to the input loop. Of course, this is Vf. Okay. So the calculation of input resistance, apply KVL to the input loop, which is equal to Vs is equal to Vi plus Vf. That is equation number 1. Now you see that from here feedback Vf is equal to beta into I0. So we write down over here Vf is equal to beta into I0. That will be equation number 2. Again I0, what is I0? I0 is equal to A into Vi. Just see over here. I0 is equal to A into Vi. So we can say that I0 is equal to A into Vi. This will be equation number 3. Okay. Now what we have to do? We just putting these values in equation number 1. So just see Vs is equal to Vi plus Vf. Vf is equal to beta into I0. And what is the value of I0? I0 is equal to A into Vi. So what happens? So Vs is equal to Vi plus beta into A into Vi. So Vs is equal to Vi. We take Vi as common. It will be equal to 1 plus A into beta. So Vs is equal to Vi 1 plus A into beta. Now just see we have to calculate the value of RIF. Where is the RIF should be measured? It will be measured over here. RIF, and RIF from figure it is evident that RIF is equal to Vs upon II. Just see Vs upon II. So and what is the value of Vs? Vs is equal to Vi 1 plus Vi in bracket 1 plus A into beta. And just see what is II? II from figure it is equal to Vi upon Ri. So just putting these values, what I obtained, RIF is equal to Vs upon, it is II. II is equal to Vi upon Ri, means Vi upon Ri. So it will be Ri into Vs upon Vi. And what is the value of Vs? Vs is equal to, we can say that equation number 4 over here. So what is RIF is equal to Ri, and Vs is equal to Vi 1 plus A into beta upon Vi. So these two are cancelled out. So the input resistance RIF is equal to Ri 1 plus A into beta. So this is about the feedback resistance, input resistance with feedback in case of the transconductance amplifier. Now in the same way we have to calculate the output resistance. Over here I am just calculating the output resistance. Okay, so again the output resistance will be calculated by putting the signal source equals to 0. So in case the signal source is equal to 0 means the input signal source is Vs. So we just putting Vs is equal to 0 for calculating the output resistance. Okay, now just see over here, Vs is equal to Vi plus Vf. We are just considering this equation again and putting Vs is equal to 0, which implies Vi is equal to minus of Vf. Okay, now what is Vf? Vf is equal to beta into I0. Just see, Vf is equal to beta into I0. Now what is and Vf is, what is the value of Vf? Vf is equal to minus of Vi. So what will happen? It will become equal to Vi is equal to minus beta into I0. What I just see, what I had done over here, we put Vf is equal to minus of Vi over here. Okay, so Vi is equal to minus of beta into I0. Now just see from figure V0, where is V0? V0 is here, just see here V0. So what is the value of V0? V0 is equal to, again we see that V0 is equal to R0 into I0 minus A into Vi. So it is from figure. Okay, so this is R0. I am just writing over clearly. So V0 is equal to R0 I0 minus A into Vi is equal to minus beta into I0. Okay, so now just I minus becomes plus. So V0 is equal to R0 into I0 1 plus A into beta. This is the value of the output resistance. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the output resistance with feedback, and here we are calculating the output resistance, and ROF is equal to V0 upon I0. So we can say that ROF is equal to V0 upon I0, and put the value of V0 to I0 into I0 1 plus A into beta upon I0. This will be cancelled out. So ROF is equal to R0 into 1 plus A into beta. So just see that in case of transconductance amplifier, just see over here, in case of transconductance amplifier, the feedback voltage gain is reduced by a factor of 1 plus A beta, whereas its input resistance, and this is the output resistance. Its input and output resistance are increased by a factor of 1 plus A beta. So I think so that now you people are able to understand the derivation of transconductance amplifier, feedback transconductance amplifier with feedback clearly, and now you will be able to derive the expressions by your own. Thank you.